Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we'll be discussing that how you can customize your iPhone control center in iOS 18.4 or iOS 18 upgraded. So what you need to do is just swipe down there from the right side of your phone and a menu like this will come up. You see that on the top left side there is a positive sign just like this. You just need to tap on this and it will show you like this. So if you see that you can move your controls like this from here, whatever you want to do, and you can select and move it around. You can delete any controls you want to, and you don't like anything, you can just delete it. Or if you want to add any of your option into your control center, what you need to do is, as you see that there is an add to control option here, just need to tap on it and it will show you multiple apps that you can add onto your control center. Just like you can add screen mirroring, low power mode, scan code, stopwatch, or recognize music, or whatever the app you can just choose from here. And you can select it down in your main menu and then you can adjust it from wherever you want to. That's how you can customize your control center. I hope this video helping in your experience or adding the apps into your phone. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe for these kind of videos. Until next video, bye bye.